lingerie at we have on this on sale, no? So, pakita ko muna to everyone, lalo na sa mga nag-work sa gabi, no? Mayroon siyang clip para sa stocking at pwede ninyo tong tanggalin, no? And then, ang ganda talaga ng fitting sa body, everyone. Talagang, it's make me feel sexy, no? So, mayroon tayong isa pang kulay. We have this one, but limited na lang ang stock nito, everyone, yung sizes. Kaya, this one is 2,000 yen na lang. So, message me. At maraming size dito, maliit, like M size, S size, like that. So, ewan ko lang, hanapin ko lang yung mga L size dahil this one is the L size na sinuot ko today. And meron tayong this one lang, ganito lang, no? So 2,000 yen only. This one is 1,500. And this one is 2,000. The body corset, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bones siya, no? It's really perfect talaga to para sa, at mayroon siyang strap, everyone. Ako makikita nyo, mayroon siyang strap at pwede nyo din itong tanggalin yung strap. I love it. Talagang, I like it talaga. At napaka-sexy talaga, everyone. Oh, I'm sexy and I know it. No? Lakas kayo makaigat. So, message na. And this is our Wednesday morning. It's very cold day. But get ready with me. And this is Ate Red for today. Kisses.